cry, and thus begins Torch Week. Holy cow! Oh, There was much squee, much flailing, and much crying. It made me cry at the end, it really did, and it's just, I'm not supposed to be crying, it's only day one. I am just like a total wreck now, seriously. And I had to watch the end like about 2 or 3 times, and I'm going to go back and watch it again, even though it makes me cry. It's just, I'm probably going to end up watching the whole episode again just because it's new Torchwood that I haven't seen millions and millions of times, and I am so glad I only have to wait till tomorrow instead of a whole nother week for a new episode, because seriously, this is gonna kill me! And that's the only thing I can say without giving anything away! Torchwood! Yes, oh my goodness. It was amazing though, I loved it, and Ianto wibbled. He wibbled, he seriously wibbled, and it was adorable, and then poor Ianto, that's all I can say is poor Ianto. He's got the hardest time. I probably should stop bang and leave you guys be.